Get this camera if you want sharp, high-resolution photos, great 8K video, and appreciate Fujifilm's color and easy-to-use controls. This is X-H2 from Fujifilm. This camera is best for landscape and studio photographers who want ultra-high resolution for large prints or commercial work. This is also a great choice for hybrid content creators shooting both high-resolution video and stills. You can get this if you want a maximum resolution without moving to full frame. However, please keep in mind, despite its high resolution, the smaller APS-C sensor means low light performance isn't quite as strong as full frame competitors. If you need one camera for both photos and video, the X-H2 is a great choice and is worth considering.